Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new Shein haul. I really thought I was gonna get a box this time, but they gave me a bag again. This haul has like almost 30 items. So we're gonna be here for a little while, get a snack you all. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Check out my lash company, Casino Lashes, and let's get into this video. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this bag. So in case you all are wondering, my hair is from Mega Look. I'm going to link that in the description box if I remember. And the shirt I'm wearing is from Shein. I've already ordered it from Shein. Okay, y'all, we got the bag open. We have some, I'm so excited, but really I forgot what I ordered. It's been a little minute. It's been like 2.5 weeks. A little longer than last time, but I think we got some looks here. So I'm going to separate everything, show you the few accessories I have, and then we're going to jump into the clothes. I'll be right back, you all. So the first thing I got was this like Paisley print scarf. Thought it was really cute. It's only like $3 on the site. But really, I love like when girls are on the beach or just in general whenever they wear it. I'm not really sure how they tie it, but I love when girls have like this tied around their head. Oh, like this. Especially on the beach, like this with a brown bikini, like y'all see the pattern and it is gorgeous. Love this color and everything, kind of like champagne-ish gold. Thought that would be cute. And then I also got a green one. This one has like the little chain detailing on it. It looks expensive, it's silky. It's just giving, you all. And you could make it a shirt, you can make it like a little cover up almost. It's a lot you can do with this. Wear it as a mask. So I got a ticket for Rolling Loud. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go yet, but if I do, I'm still gonna have this probably like a mask on me. For some reason, I have so many little baguettes and mini bags from Shein, but I just didn't have a white one. Like the white one is just iconic and it's definitely just needed for summer. Like look how fancy this looks. It looks expensive. Here it is. It's like the crocodile print on it, a beautiful little gold opening thingy right there. So it's just like, even this outfit, it's just like one of those neutral colors that's gonna make all your outfits look cute. And bags, I don't really put anything in here. It's really for the purpose of pictures most of the time. And on the inside, there's like a gold chain so you could wear it over your shoulder, have it hang like that, if you wanted it to. I'm trying to fly through these accessories. So orange is like my #1 favorite color. Like it kind of switches every other day. And my #2 is yellow. I love me some yellow. And I haven't seen too many yellow bags. But this bag here, I love this type of yellow. It's almost like, it has like, it's almost orange-like. So you see, oh, you see like it's kind of like snake print or whatever, or alligator print, I don't know what print, but has a nice little gold chain on it. You don't see yellow and gold together too often, to where I thought that was really cute. At least I don't see it too often. So you just wear it like that. And it's cute. It's like a nice little size. You could put your money in here. Maybe even like a brush or like a Y2 comb or something. Lip gloss. A nice size, you all. I saw this color and I was like, I had to get it. The chain isn't like that heavy. Like it's kind of, it's a cheap chain, I'll be honest. But I also got some jewelry. I think this is a belly chain I actually got. Like I always think it's so cute. Like I'm over here thinking summer right now. I always think it's cute when girls wear them with swimsuits and stuff like that. So I got one of them. It has like little rhinestones or fake diamonds on it a little bit. And then I also got another anklet. Yeah, that is really it for the accessories I tried to fly through because we here for the clothes, right? Love accessories, so love them. But I'm going to go ahead and put on the first item. I'll be right back, you all. Okay, so I got this bandana top specifically for a pair of shoes I have coming. Look how silky this looks. It almost looks gold, but it's yellow. So here's the back, you all. You like kind of tie it, but I mean, I feel really supported. Like, I don't feel like anything's gonna pop out or anything like that. But this color is a color you don't see. I'm really trying to get more yellow, so it matches perfectly with this bag actually. But I probably wouldn't wear it together because I don't like to be like just too matchy sometimes. But this, like, on camera, it looks so flowy and gorgeous. Like, I didn't even tie it too tight, but I got this in a small, you all, and I'm living for it. It's cute. Love the color. It's everything. Okay, so this next shirt, I just love the style so much, but it reminded me of the dress or shirt Rihanna wore in the Wild Thoughts video, that iconic dress she wore. So I was like, you know what? I need this. It also comes like in white. It may come in black, but this color kept like being sold out every time I wanted it. But look at the material. Look at the material. This is some fancy stuff, you all. Like, I think this color actually looks really nice on me too. It's cute. Now, see, that'll be a time I'll love to mix and match colors. So like this yellow and green, it looks interesting. That's kind of cute. This bag is just so much fun to play with, you all. Like, there's so many outfits you could do with this when you like think outside the box. But look at, I love how exaggerated the sleeves are. I love how it's like clenched. Love it. Okay, so this color was just so cute to me, and I thought like the fact that this was asymmetrical was kind of cool. It looks kind of ragged, but it looks cute. This material is bomb. It feels so soft on, you guys. But I got this color specifically to match with my new dunks. So I've been shopping, getting colors just to match with like my dunks. I'm working on my shoe game. So look at these. So, ooh, these are kind of different. These are two different colors, but I thought these two would match, but this one is like a little more pale than the dunks. But, I have another shirt I tried to match with these, so we'll see if that one works. But anyway, this material really feels heavenly. Here's the back, you all. It is cropped, but it feels excellent. Also comes in white, and I know this one isn't see-through at all. I don't know if a white one would be or not, but I love this crop top. Okay, so next thing I got were these like shorts. I wanted them because they were a little longer. I thought this style would be cute. Look kind of like mom-like or something. So these are in a medium. I really wanted a large, but I guess the medium isn't that bad. I didn't talk about my measurements. Let me brighten this. Did not talk about my measurements. So my bust is 36 inches, my waist is 28 inches, and my hips are 42 inches. So you can base it off of that. So, I mean, mediums usually fit in their jeans, but I like the larges. Now, I like for my pants to be a little oversized a little bit. But here they are, they're a nice length, and I thought this length is just a little more like, they're almost like biker shorts, but jeans. Okay, so next, I just got some regular gray sweatpants. The inside is fleece, and it literally feels absolutely amazing on. So, these are actually, they're high-waisted. I was wondering why it was like this extra room up front. So these are supposed to be high-waisted. But, I mean, it doesn't look bad. There aren't any pockets here, which is like, I love like putting my hands in sweatpants pockets. They are long. I'm 5'7", you guys, so it goes all the way down. They're long. I got these in a medium. I wanted them to be loose, but tight, but not, I wanted them to be loose, but not too big to where it was a large, basically. I mean, they're cute, basic sweatpants, especially since I'm trying to be a tennis shoe girl now. I feel like it would be cute with these. So it's like a fleece material, if you can see, but great quality pants for sure. Okay, so next I got these gray stacked sweats. They are really, really tight actually at the thighs. So my thighs are a little thick, I guess. Here they are. The quality is nice and all. They are actually like stacked, so that's really cool, but definitely size, well, I should have sized up. I would tell you all to size up. Like, it can't be pulled up anymore. And I usually like to wear my pants just over my belly button no matter what. So like in the back, that's as far as I can pull them up. But how is looking back there, you all? Is it looking a little good? Can't see from all the way back here. It may be, I don't know. It does have pockets in it. It comes in a bunch of colors and all that. And I'm happy they actually are stacked. So if you're taller than me, you're still gonna be good, you all. Like the front looks okay, but I don't like how low the back is right now. Like I cannot pull it up an inch more if I wanted to. Okay, so next I got this little like green and white hoop shirt. This was actually an item I replaced for my other item because that item sold out while I was in my cart. I mean, it's cute, it's cute. There's the back, has a little O-ring in it. It was supposed to match with these. I mean, but this is too green and this one has like a slight blue tint to it. Still haven't found a match for those shoes just yet. But I mean, it's a basic top, super cheap, probably like $5 or $6, I forgot, but I got it in a small. Okay, y'all, I've been buying a million white t-shirts, white like tank tops from Shein, trying to get the perfect one. And this is it, you all. It's not see-through like one bit at all. Here's the back, it's giving. Here's the front. I love the V shape. I told y'all that V shape will make your waist look in and then come back out for the hips. It's just gorgeous. I love this type of top. So here it's like ribbed and everything. You all can't really see it, but it's a gorgeous top. A very, like, if you're looking for the perfect white tank top to set off any look, like, okay, this can match with these for sure, right? If you're looking for the perfect white tank top, this is it, you all. The asymmetricalness just really gives to me. It makes everything look fantastic. It looks dressed up. It looks fancy. I love it. Okay, this next item, I know y'all are thinking, okay, Brittany, why do you need a leather jacket in the summer? But a nice leather jacket like this is gonna set off your looks, especially at night, you all. You know, nights can still be a little chilly during the summer. But I've been wanting like a looser leather jacket like this. This is how people used to wear them like in the early 2000s. So this is a medium. I wanted it to be like I want it to be looser, not too tight, not too big, but this is a nice size. The sleeves go all the way down. It's just serving a look for nighttime. You still need some kind of jacket in the summer. At least in Memphis, you do. Hold on, let me turn up for you all 1 second. Now this is like taking over the 99 to the 2000s. A nice pair of rectangular glasses with this. Now this is cute. This reminds me of the manager on the Cheetah Girls. What was his name? I know some of y'all gonna know his name. The record producer guy. Y'all, I think his name came to me. Wasn't it like Jackal Johnson? I think. So, got these next pants in a medium. So y'all know the mediums be a little for me. But I like these pants. They got some stretch to it. So here are the pants. They're like cargo pants. So on the side over here, there's a little pocket. Let me brighten this. On the side over here, it's like little pockets, actual functional pockets. Y'all see, like this V shape is giving. But I love, love, love these pants. It's so cute. It's just it's a look, you all. Even like these black pants with just a white top. Here I am with this bag again. Like, this is cute. I've just been wanting some black pants. I don't have any like black jeans that aren't skinny jeans, so I wanted something like that. These aren't exactly jeans. They're like Dickies. Got a back pocket here, functional back pockets, you all. Like, okay, it's cute. Love these pants. They go all the way down. Even like they're the perfect length, even a little longer. So if you're taller, you're still good, you all. It'll be cute with these. I'm just trying so hard to make those work with something. But yeah, I really like these. And I'm glad I got a medium. They're tight, but not just too tight. And I feel like I could like wear them throughout the day and they'll loosen up some. Okay, so next I got this fleece top. I got it in a medium too. I wanted it to be oversized, kind of like this, because I didn't plan on really wearing it. I mean, it looks cute like this. Like, it would look better with like a normal tank top that didn't have that V shape to it, but it's like yellow and blue. I'm getting these yellow and blues specifically for a pair of shoes I have coming. So that's why I've been getting a lot of yellow. But here's like the design. It's kind of like soft fleece-like. I bought it specifically for a certain outfit. I'll show you all in a second. Okay, so next I got this chocolate brown bodycon dress. So it's just a basic little dress. Cutesy, 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 right? So yeah, you can see it's like ribbed and stuff. So my vision was actually to wear like this with this dress and maybe wrap it around or something like this and make it look cutesy. So now this with some cute tennis shoes, or even, I don't know, y'all gotta see the tennis shoes. I'll insert a pic that I've been buying stuff for. But this would be cute. And I just love chocolate in general. It's just everything to me. Just a nice little normal chocolate dress. Okay, so this is another bandana top like the one I wore at the beginning. This one is like a champagne color, which it just looks rich, you all. You could dress this up in so many ways. I did not tie it tight at all, so I'm not gonna jump around like last time, but this material is fantastic. It's, you all, gorgeous. But yeah, just a cute little regular top. Once you tie it tight, it offers like a lot of support. And you can make it to where like the waist is kind of goes in a little more. So this is more so how it will look if I tied it tight. It's cute. Okay, so this shirt I just love so much, and I already had it in orange, but I got so many compliments when I wore it, I had to buy it in another color. So right now it looks decent, right? It comes with like this little rope. You tie it around this centerpiece here, you all. You tie it around here, and it lifts up like that. You tie it like that, and then you get like this little under boob triangle, and it's so cute. Black definitely can be dressed up a little more than the orange can, but it was such a fun color to actually have. Got a lot out over here, but I love this look. It looks really cute. I'm glad I got black. They have like white, black, orange, yellow, blue, and they may add some new colors. This is also in a small, and the material is actually like fleece-like. It feels like a robe. If you all can kind of see that material up close. Okay, so I think I have this shirt on right. It was only like $5, you all. So here's the back. I think it's on, wait, hold on. It probably isn't, but this is basically how it's supposed to look. So I also have some olive green, like some dark green shoes coming. So that's why I wanted this. But this is also a satin top. Has little straps on it and all of that. It's cute, I guess. It's okay, but I mean, it looks nice. This color is pretty. Not much to see here. Okay, so next is like this little tied top. Like, I tied it really tight. It's really just a big scarf, you all. So it's on the picture, they tied it around like this, but I feel like the string is just so short. Like, they kind of tied it like that. Now that looks a little cuter. That looks interesting now. It looks fancy. But that's how the back looks. Yeah, I think I tied this right. So there's just a little Shein tag on the inside right there. And that's how I knew how or like where to put this on. But it's just a big, long red scarf. But this color looks cute. Like, y'all know red be popping. I feel like you could definitely dress this up for like a dinner date or something. Like, yeah, it's cute. Let me make sure I'm covered. Okay, y'all, so we are on the last item now. So I got this black like sundress. So it goes like down to like mid-calf lift. I thought it was cute with these little cutouts. Like, I kind of sagged my underwear for this. Oh, wait, yeah, nothing's showing. I don't think. Yeah, okay, I kind of sagged my underwear for this so y'all could just see the full effect. You probably should not wear underwear with this. Or if you wanted like a little, if you wanted like a thong out or something, you could wear that. I mean, it's up to you. But I mean, I like the little cutout. It's giving a cute like appearance. Like, so I mean, it's cute. See, love the back. Love this back. Kind of giving, kind of. But sundress season, you all, in full effect. If you want to see some cute sundresses, tune into my AliExpress haul. It's already up if you haven't, so check that one out. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite item. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. I'll see you all later. Follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys.